Hello everyone, today we'll talk about the 50 centavo coins of the Philippines, but before we continue, please subscribe to my channel, Hosa TV3. Okay guys, this is the obverse of this coin. You will see here the logo of the Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas, and on this side you will see here the Central Bank of the Philippines. Now I will show you the reverse of this coin. So this is the reverse of this coin. You will see here a standing woman holding a hammer over an anvil with a marine volcano in the background and the text 50 centavo. And on the lower side, you will see here the year 1964, this coin was minted. Now let's continue. The 1964 Philippine 50 centavo coin is a copper nickel zinc piece featuring Lady Liberty and marine volcano with a mintage of 25 million struck at the Royal Mint in London. It belongs to the English series and was demonetized in 1979. Now let's talk about the coin details. First, the official coat of arms of the Republic of the Philippines with the text Central Bank of the Philippines. Reverse, a standing woman, Lady Liberty, holding a hammer over an anvil with marine volcano in the background and the text 50 centavo. Composition, nickel brass, 70% copper, 18% zinc, and 12% nickel. Weight and size. Weight 10 grams with a diameter of 30.3 up to 30.6 mm and a kneaded edge. This coin was demonetized as of September 1, 1979, so this coin is no longer legal tender. Now let's talk about collector's value. Collector's value, common in circulated condition, usually worth a modest amount unless certified in pristine uncirculated high grade by grading services like PCGS and NGC. Now let's talk about the value. The value of a 1964 Philippine 50 centavo coin English series generally ranges from 50 up to 500 peso and $1 up to $10 US. So guys, that is the local value of this coin, maybe around 500 Philippine peso. But of course, if your coin is in pristine condition or uncirculated pieces, while certified high grade or rare specimen strikes can pitch much higher, especially in the international auction or market. So I will not mention the exact amount or price, but of course the price can be changed because the collectors will tell you, or the price, because the price, it will depend on the condition of your coin. So anyway, before I end, please subscribe to my channel, Hosa TV3. Thank you.